Knack sent me their expandable backpack for my review, and I'm going to open it up for the very first time on camera, and we are going to check it out together. It is meant to go from like regular size when it's not expanded, 27 liters, and then when it is expanded, it can go up to 39 liters. Like, that is a massive jump. Wow, it is beautiful. Right away, I am loving the design of this. When you've got this really nice like cushion here in the back, that's gonna feel so good on your back if you're traveling. You know, having your backpack being super full and heavy, having this back there is going to feel fantastic. So let's go ahead and check out some of these pockets. Ooh, look at this fancy pocket here in the front. I don't even know how this works. So this completely looks like a cool little triangle here. I love that the zippers are like tucked in here, because having something like this, it would be so easy just to come up and pull those zippers down. But the fact that they're tucked in here, it clearly took me a second to get it. So I think that's great. Ooh, I've never seen anything like that. Let's go ahead and take this out. So I love the coloring inside. How fun is that? So you've got these kind of like pockets here. This will be really good, easy access, like, you know, passport, phone, something like that, that you just want to put in there in the front, some charging devices. But as I said, like, look, that goes right up into there. And it's kind of hard to just kind of like grab them and pull, which I think is really great. You've got another little great pocket up here. Oh, it's deeper than I thought. This would be really good, you know, because it's really soft and fuzzy in here, I think this would be really good in the front area for like sunglasses. And then you have another little slip pocket in here. It kind of goes pretty deep. Good spot to maybe keep like your wallet or something like that. So you've got that. You've even got the zipper at the bottom. I love those bottom zippers. And you've got these kind of like little organizers. This is really great for like cables and stuff. If you want to put like your chargers and everything back here, and you can kind of keep everything in these loops, which is really nice. And then you've got kind of like that little shallow pocket there. And then let's see. I believe this one also can hold a 15-inch laptop. So definitely something to keep in mind. So, ooh, nice and spacious inside here. You've got tons of room here, and then you've got, of course, zippers on this side. You've got, oh, I love when you have, oh, and this is metal too, when you have one of these for your keys. So, you know, especially if you're traveling, just clip your keys on there, and then you don't have to go digging for them later. You've got a great little zip up here with some straps. All right, we'll figure out what those straps are for. And then let me see here. So we've got this back here. Let's see, this might be, oh, man, there's just so many pockets, so much to discover. So then this part here, oh, that's really nice. So then here you can kind of put your clothing in here. So this must be where it expands. Ah, look at that little hidden zipper. So then this, look at that just popping out. That is so nice. So this kind of like pops up here. Oh my goodness, I just found another hidden pocket. This will be a great little pocket for your water bottle here on the side, and then you can just kind of like zip that in there. I think that's awesome. There are so many pockets here, I just don't even know what to do. So this is really great. So this kind of becomes like your packing cube here. The sides pop up. You can put all of your clothing, and then you can, of course, just push that in and then kind of compress it down a little bit. Clearly, it unzips more. I'm just not, oh, here it is. Here's that zipper. Oh, look at that go. So you unzip it all the way around. Look at this suddenly. I definitely can see now how it goes from 27 to 39 liters, and that pops up. Man, look at all that space. And then, of course, you have this side here if you want to, you know, slip some documents and stuff like that in there. And then I think at the back here is where your laptop is going to go, which is really nice. So that will just slide in there, and it's like super nice and padded, really comfortable there. Wow, this is a beautiful backpack. And then, yeah, you kind of have this spot here. They've definitely outdone themselves on this one for sure. I am a huge fan, and it is also water resistant, which is fantastic. Man, this thing is beautiful.